Well, it's Sunday night. Got this 466 motor out of this 44 4650. Spun all the main bearings. Rod bearings were never got spun. So we got to take this block from the back screws and flitter, get a line board, and the crank there. And have to get that checked, make sure it's not cracked, and hopefully they can turn it. I don't know if it was turned whatever before or not. We bought it with about 8,000 hours on it, and hopefully they can turn the crank too. Lifters look fine, or I guess the camshaft looks okay. Lifters need to be ground because they're kind of flat. Sleeve, put new sleeves, pistons in it. Nothing for electrolysis. Number one, this is the worst it is. I guess that's not bad at all. More rust than anything else. Otherwise, all the rest of them are good. But replace them. Wore out anyhow. But I'd like to see if there's electrolysis problem or not. So you know how good your antifreeze is. So there's all the bearings. So I guess we'll take it in this week, back screws, and have another block and crank, so I can put this 46 motor back together and get this one fixed up with one of the 4960s whenever I get a chance and money allows. So I guess that's the extent of it for now.